Dive into the story, Unpacking the Phrase for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an exciting English phrase, dive into the story. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and it's commonly used in both written and spoken English. Let's unpack what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stay with us to enhance your English vocabulary and understanding. Dive into the story is a metaphorical phrase that paints a vivid picture. To dive suggests plunging into water from a height, but when used figuratively, it means to immerse oneself deeply into an activity or subject. The word story can refer to a narrative, an account of events, or the content of a book, movie, or conversation. Therefore, when someone says, dive into the story, they're inviting you to immerse yourself fully in the narrative or subject matter, with enthusiasm and attention. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Here are some. In conversation, when someone shares a complex or interesting story, you might say, let's dive into the story, to show your interest in hearing more details. In education and meetings, teachers or speakers may use it to introduce a deep discussion or analysis of a topic or book. In marketing and media, it's often used to entice readers or viewers to engage more closely with a story or content. The key is to use it when you want to emphasize deep engagement and thorough exploration of a topic or narrative. To help you better understand how to use dive into the story, here are some examples. Before we judge the characters, we need to dive into the story and understand their backgrounds. I can't wait to dive into the story of this new novel everyone's talking about. During the meeting, we'll dive into the story behind our project's success and discuss the next steps. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various situations, always indicating a move towards in-depth exploration. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, dive into the story, confidently in your English conversations and writings. It's a beautiful way to express the act of immersing oneself deeply in a narrative or subject. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.